Hi, Jennifer Vazquez, JV the coach here, declutterer, organizer, and mindset coach. I just wanted to take a moment. The holidays are coming up, and I am offering this year gift certificates for decluttering and organizing, as well as mindset coaching sessions. So if you're scratching your head thinking, what should I get my relatives, and they really need some help around the home, or they need some support around getting unstuck in here, reach out to me. You can go to my website, 𝐥𝐢𝐤𝐞.com, and send me an email that you're interested in a certificate, or you can just email me directly, 𝐥𝐢𝐤𝐤𝐞@gmail.com, and we can chat about that. But yeah, I hope you take advantage of it. It's a great gift and a great way to give someone you love something that really matters and will really make a difference.